Okay, and it doesn't start until after those twos?
Right. Left 5 plus long. Stay ready for crest and left 4 very long over 2 crest. Crest 30. Left 5 minus late opens over crest 20. Left 3 minus tightens 2. Into right 2 opens long. Stay left over jump. Right 5 30. Yep. Left 4 minus to right 5 short. Into left 5. Opens tightens 5 minus. Right 6 50. Right 6 short. And right 6 short over crest into left 6 short. Kinks 100. Crest into right 3 plus. Into left 4 opens dirt. 150. Right 6 plus over crest. Into left 6. Right 6 50. Crest 70. Left 6 plus. 50. Right 6. Crest right 6 plus. Left 6 plus. Right 5. 50. Care right 5 plus over 2 crest. Yellow flag. Left 5 plus. Into care right 4 late long. Tightens 3 long open. Opens into left 6. 100. Crest into left 6. 70. Left 6 into right 6 plus over crest. 40. Left 5 plus into right 5 plus. Left 5. 50. Right 6 plus. Crest tarmac 30. Left 4 plus. 50. Crest into right 5 minus. Into left 5. Kinks over 120. Left 6 plus. Care right 5 deceptive. Left 5 over crest. Kinks 200. Crest into right 5 minus. Left 5 minus. Right 5 plus. Left 6. 70. Left 6 plus. 50. Care left 2 minus up. 50. Right 4 plus. Left 5. 30. Right 3 plus up. Crest into right 4 plus. Left 5. 170. Right 4 plus long. Crest into right 5 minus. Left 5 plus tightens 4. Left 4. Left 6 plus. Into right 6 plus. 50. Stay left over crest. 50. Right 6. Into left 5 plus over crest. Kinks over 100. Into left 4. 50. Left 5 minus. 70. Stay left over crest. 40. Right 5 plus. Tightens 5 minus. So this is left over crest. Right 5 plus. Tightens 5 minus. Over crest. Over finish. Alright. What do you think?
I think I can pretty much not lift anywhere except those,
The dirt bit?
Yeah, the dirt and the trees. The dirt was slip.
Yeah, I noticed that. You may want to rip them a little more. Some of the fours I think we need to lift for too, because there were like some fours at the end of long straights.
Yeah.
So those we need to lift for.
Yeah, a little bit. I think I got those